Welcome back, young explorers. It's time for another exciting science adventure. Today, we're going to float into the wonderful world of gases. Gases are one of the three main states of matter, and they play a huge role in our everyday lives, from the air we breathe to the wind that rustles the leaves. Let's start by revisiting what matter is. Remember, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. We've explored the solid and liquid states of matter. Now, let's turn our attention to gases. So, what is a gas? In the gas state, particles, tiny atoms and molecules are spread far apart and move freely. Unlike solids and liquids, gases don't have a fixed shape or volume. They expand to fill the entire space available to them. This is why the air in our atmosphere surrounds the entire Earth. One of the unique properties of gases is their compressibility. Gases can be compressed or squished into a smaller space. This is possible because there's a lot of empty space between the particles in a gas. Think about how a bicycle pump compresses air to fill a tire. That's gas being compressed. Gases also have the ability to expand. When you blow up a balloon, you're filling it with gas, your breath. The gas expands to fill the entire space inside the balloon. This property of gases is why our lungs can fill up with air when we breathe. Did you know gases are also really good at mixing and spreading out? This is why you can smell cookies baking from another room. The gas particles from the cookies spread out quickly throughout the air in your house. Gases are incredibly important in nature. For example, plants need a gas called carbon dioxide to perform photosynthesis and make their food. We humans and all other animals need a gas called oxygen to breathe and live. Our Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases called the atmosphere, which protects us and provides the air we need. Let's try a fun science activity. Get a balloon and a small funnel. Carefully pour some baking soda inside the balloon using the funnel. Now fill a bottle with vinegar. Attach the balloon to the bottle's neck, but don't let the baking soda fall in yet. Once the balloon is securely attached, lift the balloon, allowing the baking soda to mix with the vinegar. Watch as the balloon inflates. This happens because a gas called carbon dioxide is produced from the reaction and fills the balloon. Understanding gases gives us insight into how our world works, from breathing and weather patterns to understanding the vast universe. We hope you enjoyed this gaseous journey of discovery. If you're eager to learn more about the wonders of science, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest science explorations. We can't wait to go on more science adventures with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video with more exciting science discoveries.